Hi guys, good evening to everyone. Now is September 19, 2024, Thursday. And ber month na guys, September na. So nagsisimula ng Christmas. So an early Merry Christmas to the whole world or sa buong mundo or sa ating lahat. Guys, tingnan nyo ang mga series namin guys, oh. Ang ganda-ganda guys. Oh. At saka ang mura-mura lang yan guys. Pag interesado kayo guys, nandyan sa link namin guys. Nandyan sa link ko, hanapin nyo guys. Yan. Yan. At saka guys, bumili din kami ng solar light. Ayun guys, oh. With remote pa, with panel pa, buy one take one pa. I-zoom natin guys, ha. So, i-zoom natin. Yan. Solar light with remote pa, with panel pa, buy one take one pa. At saka mura lang guys. So, yan guys. Ang isa guys, oh. Yan. So, yan guys. Ang isa guys, nas malayo guys. Yan. Yan. So, yan. So, sa lahat ng mga friends ko, for sure, hindi kayo maghinayang yan. Hanapin nyo lang sa mga links ko. At ikay po kayong lahat. At God bless ating lahat. Or God bless us all. And that's all. Bye bye guys.